Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. Want to generate a shipment proforma invoice in just a few clicks? In this video, we'll walk through the complete process in the Fresa Global Application. Let's get started. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the home page. Now, navigate to the Shipments menu. Click on it to open the shipment list page. Next, click Submit to display the existing shipment records. In the Shipment No column, enter the required shipment number and click Submit. Once the shipment appears in the list, click View. This will take you to the Shipment View page. Now, go to the Billing section and click View again. You will be redirected to the corresponding shipment job page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find the Generate Shipment Proforma Invoice option. Click on it. The Generate Shipment Proforma Invoice window will appear. Click Generate, and then click Generate once again to confirm the process. Once the invoice has been generated, click Report. The report page will open. Now, select Shipment Proforma Invoice. You can now view the generated Shipment Proforma Invoice successfully. And that's it. This is how you generate a Shipment Proforma Invoice in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.